most people don't really understand what crypto is, and that's a huge opportunity to everybody in this class, everybody in our community, because we are ahead of the curve. There's only a small number of people that understand crypto today. Most people, as you have already learned in the previous lessons, they go and they just have heard about it and they might get involved in anything that moves, and most of people are losing money because they don't have a strategy, they don't have an idea. But that's why we wanted to create this foundation week, so you guys could understand more and had that curiosity like being enlightened in you, so you're able to go out and do the rest 3 weeks that will happen after this class, and also take the bonuses that we have prepared for you in the course, because everything that's here, it's here for a purpose, and it's here to help you expand, grow. We want to learn we want to hear about you, we want to hear about your story, we want to hear about your success, and we're really, really confident that you're going to crush it with this material. So anyway, what's money? That's been the topic the last couple of days, where the money comes from, and what's really behind it. And I believe that, well, you know what? It's quite interesting when we start seeing certain things and we start to question how money works, right? And Deutsche Bank says that the next decade cryptos can be replaced for fiat money, and that's something when I read that, I was very, very excited to hear that, just because basically it opens the door to the future. Blockchain has huge opportunities, and I would like to start the conversation with everybody from this topic. Why is this happening? What is this huge bank seeing, and other financial experts starting to see that it's grabbing their attention, and it's taking so much space in their minds?
Yeah, I would like to connect to this and with a couple of points. First of all, I would like to say that many people don't understand. They maybe just invest in cryptos to make quick gains just because they are increasing a lot quickly and going also down a lot quickly, but that's another story. Many people just see this opportunity of investing in crypto for the short or medium term and making some quick gains for the increase in price. They don't actually understand that there is a real possibility, which is very, very close to reality, than what many people think, that actually crypto can replace our fiat money. Now, the second point to which I wanted to mention was that many times the articles that we see and the opinions of experts saying this stuff are many times incorrect and fake. But I really believe that this is not one of those cases, because not only a very important bank is saying this, but there is also real facts behind these things, proving that we are moving closer to this reality, with the governments already working on their own coins, on their own stable coins, on their own methods of payment through cryptos. So it is very important to make this distinction of why this is moving really closer to reality. It is almost reality. They are working on this already. Not only the articles are coming out, but there are also facts backing these articles.
Absolutely. I agree. And just so you said, it makes me think, and it just gives me like goosebumps also. I'm having goosebumps as I think about this. Imagine we are back in 2009 and some crazy hippie guy, just tech hippie guy, just goes with you and tells you, listen, we're inventing a new coin and it's going to change the world. and it's called Bitcoin. And you will probably look at him saying, what? Are you crazy?
Yeah.
You know, money is not something that you invent. Money is something that the government provides for you, right? And then they actually do this because obviously there was a pain point with everything that happened with the crash in 2008. But then they actually, the white paper is released, and then some crazy guy orders a pizza or 2 pizzas, and they pay 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas, right?
Yeah.
And you're like, what the hell? And this is, okay, he's like, we're almost gonna do this guy a favor, and we'll give them those 2 pizzas for free, and he'll pay it with Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
But
yeah.
It's funny, right? When you think about this, and then you go a couple of years later, 2016, and then you can buy a car with 100 Bitcoin, and a really cool car. But now you can buy a house, like a nice house with 10 Bitcoin, right? I know we released a reel a few days ago about this, and I don't know if you guys done with that, but I have my goddaughter, and I was thinking the other day, what would have happened if I would have given her a couple of Ethereum when she was born, or a Bitcoin, right? And it would be like the best gift ever, right?
Yeah.